Hello everyone, good day. My name is James Michael, and in this short training, like I promised to show you how to use the car.co to create a landing page. Although it's not only landing page that you can create with this powerful software, you can create other things like forms, a lot of other stuff. I'll show you that. But when you just go to your web browser, you type car.co, CARRD.co. It will bring you to this interface. Okay, so if you're just starting new, you need to create an account before you can be able to use this powerful software. I don't know why it's hanging. Okay, now then you need to create an account. All right, so you go to sign up if you are creating a new account rather. Although car.co, they have the paid version and the free version. I've been using them for quite some time now, and I've been using the free version without having any issue. So although the free version is limited, but I've been using them. Now you go to sign up, you put in your name, your email, your password, you confirm your password, then you go to sign up. Okay, so but me, I'm already created an account, so I'm going to go to login. Okay, so I'll log in my details and all of that, then I'll go to log in. All right, so you see the two these are the two websites I've created with them. Okay, okay, let's just look at the first one. This is the first one. It's just coming up. So I'm going to show you how to create something as beautiful as this. Although you just boil down to your own creativity. Okay, so I created this and you can also create this. Just very simple stuff. All right, so this is the first website. Now I'm not publishing that. Let me go to dashboard. So this is the second one. Just loading. Let me pause this video once. All right, so it has finished loading. It has finished loading. I don't know why it's still. Okay, so this is the second website I created with them. These are just videos that is seen here. Videos. These are pictures. You can create something as powerful as this and all of that. Okay, so let's go to how you can create something like this. Okay, now to create this, to create your own website, or to create your own whatever landing page, sign up form and anything. Although before you can create sign up form with this car.co, you must have a paid account. Okay, so but mainly what I use them for is just the landing page. Okay, so you come here, whether you see newest. Okay, so you click on that plus sign. Okay, this out of sight, like I told you, it is limited. Out of sight, I already created two sites here. It is out of sight. While you have reached your account limit of 30 sites, please enter changes to please either change to a different plan or delete the site and try again later. I've created two sites here, so coming. Okay, one is on the archive. Okay. So I'm going to delete this one. We created this one a long time ago. I'm going to delete this one now. So to delete this one, go back to dashboard. Okay. Sorry, let me just delete this. Let me just pause it and delete it. Okay, so I have succeeded in deleting the other site. Now let's go to create site. Now you go to this newest and you click on that plus sign. Now it will bring you to this interface. Now they say choose your starting points. Now here are some of the templates that you can use. Those ones that you see pro are the one that you need to pay for before you can use them, but anyone that you not see anything like pro, you can use them, customize them. Now like I said, you can use car.co to create quite a number of stuffs. Like you can use it to create your profile, you can use it to create landing page, use it to create form, use it to create your portfolio, your sections, and all of that. Okay, like I said, you can mainly use them to create landing page and forms, but for you to use them to create a form is just like a sign-up form where people can put in their email, their phone number, and all of that. But I use them to create. Before you can use them to create a form, you have to get a paid account. But if you are using them for landing page, they have the free one and have the paid one, so you can use the landing page without paying anything. Alright, so anyone here that sees something like pro, that means you have to pay for them. So let's just use anything at random. Now you can also preview the site before you select. So you can go to demo, okay, to select whatever, or you go to demo before you come to select. Now okay, so this is just demo for you to preview how the site is. Okay, so you can edit everything, you can delete everything here and put in your own. So this is just a preview of the site. You can check out another one, anyone that you want to. So this is just a preview of how the site will look like, although you can delete everything here entirely and build something massive for yourself. You can also start from scratch, but me, I've not built anything from scratch here. So I normally use, okay, this was the one I used to create that first landing page. So let's see if we can select it. Let's just see if we can now. Okay, I'm going to, now what you need to do is just go through this stuff. I don't want this video to be long. Okay, now this plus sign here is sorry, if you want to add an article, if you want to add anything, image, text, picture, video, anything, so you just click on this plus. You can add text, you can add image, you can add video, you can add audio, you can add gallery, you can add timer, you can add a list, button, link, icon, table, divider. But for you to use put form, you must have a paid account. Put slideshow, widget, embed anything, you must use your phone. You must get a paid account. So that's just the use of that plus sign here. Now this one here is what this one is for self. Okay, let's just check it out. Okay, this one is just used to preview the site. Now this one here is for editing. It's for editing. This is where you edit the background. Like now, this is the color of this background, so you can come here and change it. So you can come here and change it to anything that you want. So maybe you don't like the color of this background, you can come here and edit it. You can come here and change it. Maybe you want blue, you can come here, it will change to blue. Then this one is, you can still edit it. See, it has two colors, so you can edit the, see now I edited the colors, so you can edit the colors. So here, this is angle. Okay, so you can increase it, you can reduce it. So this is also you can use it to increase or decrease the background. So you can increase the angle or you can bring it down. So I can't remember the last time I tested that. I'm just showing you what the possibility that you can do with this. I don't mostly even touch most of these parts. Now you can still use one color. You can just use one color if you want. You can just use one color. Then you can use just one color. Then everything will be one color. sorry. Okay, so you can use one color. You can also use image. If you want the background to be image, you can use image. If you want the background to be a video, okay, this one is available with the pro version. Slideshow be available with the pro version. Okay, so let us stick with this one for now. Now all of these things here all of these things here something you can play with if you want to. Okay, so you click on done if you're done, so you can see now the background have changed. Okay, so this sign here, this other sign here, this one is if you want to edit the page, so you click on it. So this is where you edit the page. This style, how you want the page to be. So I usually leave it in default, so you can go to boss. Okay, so I usually leave mine in default, so you can leave it in default. Now this is position. How do you want your text or your page to, how do you want them to appear? Is it left, top left, right, top right, bottom, all of that? So I leave my own at center. This is just the width. Okay, you can increase the width, you can increase it, you can also bring it down, but normally I leave my as at where it is. Don't normally touch anything here. And this place now is very important. If you look at this sign, you see mobile, you see auto, you see manual. Okay, always change it to auto. Okay, because if you use manual, that means after customizing here, you still have to come and customize for the mobile. But just leave it auto. That means after customizing the desktop site up here, it will automatically fit into the mobile view. So always leave it in auto then before you can come to done. Okay, so this other 3 lines here is where you save or where you publish. So you can go to undo. If you made a mistake, you can go to undo. You can publish the site. Okay, here now you can publish the site. Assuming you have, so you put the title, put the description, then you put the name that you want. Okay, if you're putting the name, they'll also be showing you whether the name is available or not. So then just go with something like Emeka Nobis. Okay, so emekanobis.car.co is available, so I can use it to save this my website. Okay, so but we are not saving it because we have not done anything on it. So like I said earlier, designing this have to do with how creative you are and what you want to create. Okay, so before you come to this part, you must have decided, okay, this is what I want to create. I want to create a landing page. I want to create a page where people will just come and just a landing page where people will just land, maybe after clicking on my ad on Facebook or after coming to my DM on WhatsApp. A landing page that will tell them more about the product and all of that. Okay, so for me now, I just want to create a landing page where I will redirect people to a sign up form where they will sign up, because I would have created I just want to collect their email, their phone number, and their name, so I can reach out to them on WhatsApp, reach out to them via email. Okay, so but you see on this car.co, I cannot create a form, so I'm going to just create a landing page where I'll be asking them to click on this link to sign up. So I'm going to go to another platform because I can't create the sign up form on this platform. I'm going to go to Cognito form. I'll still show you how to use the Cognito form to create your sign up button, or your sign up form where I want to direct these people to. Okay, now from that sign up form, I can direct them to my WhatsApp or to a page where they will start taking the training and all of that. So it just depends on what you want to create. Okay, so I just want to create like three steps. So we call it sales process or sales funnel. So I want to take my audience through 3 different steps or 3 different sales funnels, sales process before selling to them what I want to say to them. You know that in this marketing stuff, people are always attracted to free stuff, or before you sell anything to anybody and the person just meeting you for the first time. Okay, so you just have to give the person value first, and one of the ways you can give someone value is by giving them free things. Okay, like free ebook, free tutorial, something free. So getting the person to know you, like you, and trust you enough to buy from you. So if you are just selling to the person immediately, the person may not be able to buy at that point. Okay, but the person don't even know you. So that's why it's important you create a landing page or a sales process. The landing page, the sales process can be on a website like this. It can be on WhatsApp. It can be on your email, anything. Okay. Another reason why you need to create a sales process is because when people put in their email, their phone number, you can reach out to them. You can market them, even if not that particular product you're selling right now. Okay, once you have a list with your email or WhatsApp, you can keep on talking to them about your the different offer that you may have in the future. So that's why it's important to do that. Okay, I'm not going to waste your time here. So it just boils down to your creativity. So you can come here. This is where you put image, and before you come here, you must have written your copy. That's what we call copy. Okay, copy is just like a marketing material that you're going to use to get people to take a specific action. Okay, on maybe your landing page or your WhatsApp or stuff like that. So I have, let me not say that I've already created my copy. I've not even created anything, but the Lord is good. We are going to find a way to create it. But what I want to create is just in my mind. So but it's very necessary that before you come here, you have to write something down, so you not just start thinking or start gazing. Okay. So here you put in an image. So you can put in any image, like you want. Okay, so you can put in any image that you want. Okay, let me just use something like this. Let me use something like this. Okay, so since it's just all about Emeka Nobis, so let me use something like this. Okay, you edit the image to your text. Edit it to your text, and you click on this button here, this green button here. So all these other buttons are this one now. This one is if you want to undo something. This one now is if you want to flip something left and right. This one is if you want to change it up or down, then be showing you. This one is if you want to flip something left or right. This one is for up or down. This one is just to increase the magnitude of what you do. That's the magnitude of the image. I've not tried this one before. Okay, this one is if you want to upload a new stuff. This one is if you want to cancel the upload. This one is I've not even used any of this before. So the one I normally use is this. So I go to click on that and the image will come there. I don't do anything about this text. I don't do anything about this text. So I'll just, once I upload the image, I just go to done. So there's the image there. Okay, so let me just put a title. There's my headline. So you can just type in your headline. You can just say something like social media blueprint. Social media blueprint 2023. So that is your headline. Now here again, this is where you type. This is where you put in your text. Okay, so this is where you edit this. this icon that look like a brush is where you edit. This one is where you edit that sign that looks like a video is where you edit the animation of the site of the text. So this one now is settings. Okay, so we're just going to check them now. This is this one, so you can change the color of the text, you can change the font, you can change the color, you can change the font. This is the size of the text, so you can increase it or you can reduce it. So okay, this is the width. The width just adding boldness to the text. So you can add boldness to the text here. This is the line spacing. This is the line spacing. This is the letter spacing. If you want to space the letters, if you want to space the lines. Okay, so now yes, if you are here, always be careful not to touch these lines, because if I want to do something and I do something like this, okay, so maybe something like this, that means I've I've touched this letter spacing, so it's going to affect the letter. So always be careful not to touch those lines before you mistakenly touch something that you don't want to touch. So I don't normally do any other thing here. Always set this thing in auto, because if you don't set it in auto, that means after editing this one, because this one is just for the desktop site, if you put it in manual, that means you still have to come and edit it in the height will appear in the desktop, sorry, in your phone. So just put it in auto. Okay, so you can just go to done. This is social media blueprint 2023. So you can see that the thing is too big, so we're going to edit it a little bit, so you can come to this size. Okay, so you come to this size, let me just show you something. Now we just reduce the size. It has now also reduced. So social media blueprint 2023. All right, now you can leave it like this, or you can decide to increase the width, that is increase the boldness. You can see the boldness has increased and all of that. So now this one now is the display. Assuming this thing have an animation, it will show here. Okay, it will show you the timing of the animation and everything, so you can also edit it here, but there's no animation for this one. So we go to done. Now this is your headline. Well, let's just increase this headline a bit. Let's just increase it a bit. Go back here to size, you can increase it here. This is the numbering of the site, so now it is in 3. So if I don't want to change it from here, I can come here and say okay, let me change it, let me put it in 3.5. then I'll go to done. Okay, no, it's too big, and let me say okay, then put it in 3.2. It's too big. Okay, let me see if I can reduce the weight, or reduce it entirely, just make it 3, maybe 3.1. If it still does, and we will just leave it. Okay, but you can just play around them. And now social media blueprint 2023. Now this is the next button there, this is the next stuff. So So if you don't have this thing there, okay, based on what I want to create though, you can go to text, you can add an image. Okay, you can add an image, you can add a video, you can add anything that you want to add based on what you want to create. Okay, so for me, I just want to create a headline, then I want to tell them more about the headline: social media blueprint 2023. Now come here and edit this. I will tell them how to grow a massive social media audience, that gives you money in 2023. Alright, so I can go here, then I can change the font if I want. I can increase the size, I can increase the width. Line spacing is too much, I can reduce the line spacing. This is margin. If you don't want to start at the where you can just shift it, but I just want to stay like that. Appearance, how do you want it to appear? Don't all of them to have lowercase, uppercase, and all of that, small caps. So let me just go to uppercase, or you can just leave them the way you want them. So you go to done. Now, social media blueprint: how to grow a massive social media audience that gives you money in 2023. Okay, so this is just looking something pretty amazing. Okay, so you can remove this sign. If you can change the sign, you can change it. Okay, you can change the sign. Okay, you can change the sign to anyone that you want. So you can change it to anyone that you want. So just depend on you, just depend on what you want and all of that. So you can also change the color. Why this thing? Okay, so you can also change the color of this. It is white. You can change the color. Like here, you come here, see color, so you can change it to any color that you want. Okay, so it's just all about your creativity. I normally remove this, so I just go to remove. Okay, so here now is a social media blueprint 2023: how to grow a massive social media audience in 2023 that will give money in 2023. Okay, so like I told you, I didn't write my copy, so I'm just saying everything here out from my own head. So now you can just add a button like tell them click here to. Okay, you can just put a timer. You can just do anything on your landing page. Okay, let me not just waste your time. So depending on what you want to create, so you can remove these things. You can remove these things. And you can remove this one if you don't want it to appear there. But if you want it to appear, you can add the link so that when someone come there and click on it, the person will so you can add link to your Instagram account, your Facebook account, your Pinterest, your TikTok, and all that. But for me, normally I remove them because that's not the purpose. Okay, so you can add a button. You can add a button. Maybe you want them to. You can add a button. You can also edit. You can also edit the button. You can edit the button. You can put a text on the button. Maybe can just say something like register now. So register now. Okay, so you can say edit the button. You can edit it here. You can edit the button here. So you can edit both the text and the write-up. Sorry, the text and the button. You can say this is the color for the button, so you can edit it. Can edit the button. Can edit the button. Can edit the icon size. Can edit the counter rounding. Now this is the font of the text. You can increase it. You can increase the weight. All of that. So you can drag this up to anywhere you want it to be. So you can drag it up. Maybe you can drag it here, something like here, something like there. Okay, so register now. Alright, so depending on what you want to write, what you want to create, so you can just start putting in your write-up or putting in your whatever. Okay, so like I say, okay, you can still add video. Okay, so you can still add video. Now if you want to upload the video directly to the site, you go to embed. Okay, so you go to embed, then you can add you can just upload the video. Okay, maybe you want to upload the video, this one is just with the pro version. Okay, you can just go to embed. In the embedding means you must save the video somewhere. Maybe you must upload the video on YouTube or Google Drive, Google Drive, Facebook, YouTube, Vimeo or YouTube. So normally I upload mine on YouTube, then I copy the link of the video and I'll put it here. Okay, like these are the ones I've done previously. So copy the link and put it there. So you can also edit. You can also edit the video, edit the size. Okay, you can also edit the margin and all of that. Now this is okay, that's not animation. I'm looking for the one that have animation. So you see how you can edit the the animation. Alright, so you can go to this. The video is not showing now, but once you populate the sites, it will start showing. So you can put the video anywhere you want to. You can put the video anywhere you want to. So let me just say that I want to put the video here. So the video will now appear here. Now what else do I need? Based on what you need to, based on what you want to do. So I want to delete this image. So based on what you want to create, you can put in as much image, much text as you want, but just bear in mind that based on what you want to do, me, I just want to send people to a form where they will fill a form. So okay, so this is just that. Did I remove anything? Okay. You can see that image has gone up. So let me go back to undo. Okay, it has now come back. So what it means is that before I delete this image, I'm going to give it another setting. So I'll go to this setting. I'll come to this spotlight. I'll go to add a style. Okay, now I'll go to, which is now a new style. Then I'll go to done. So when I delete this image, it will not affect the face that my image there. Alright, so now I'm going to go to publish. You can save it as a draft or you can publish it right away. So the site is still Emeka Nubis. Now the title can be social media blueprint 2023. This description is usually necessary. How to grow a massive social media audience that gives you money in 2023. So you go to what else is missing? Emeka Nubis description. What else is missing? Okay, so need to publish. So you want to publish the site. The site that you have created, you're going to publish it. So now we have emekanubis.cow.co. So you can just view the site, or you can go ahead to keep on editing or publishing your site. Now let's go to view site. So this is the site, emekanubis.cow.co. So social media blueprint 2023, how to grow a massive social media audience that gives money 2023. So register now. No. So this is the video that is there. So I uploaded the video on my YouTube, then I copied the link and put here. So if you play this video now, it will play. Okay, it will play.
Hi, my name is Emeka Nubis. I want to tell you a little bit about my story.
So
it was in 2000.
You can pause it and all of that. So as me, you added some other things to show here and all of that. Okay, now mind you, I want to send people to where they register. I just want to collect their email, their phone number, and maybe their name. So that is where I put in this register, and I've not added any link to this register. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is, I don't know how many minutes this video, 44 minutes. Okay, let me see if I can just rush this. Okay, you can still send them to your WhatsApp directly. You can send them directly to your WhatsApp, where they'll send you a WhatsApp message. Maybe if you are sending them from Facebook to this page, okay, so you just want them to come to your WhatsApp, you can put the link to your WhatsApp here, or you can simply go to word.link and create a WhatsApp link. Then you can add it there. So once they come to that site and click on that register, they will come to your WhatsApp. So you can just create a free WhatsApp link. You add your number, 706706969. Your message, maybe hello, Mr. James. Hello, Mr. James. I want to get access to the free trainings. Okay. My name is, so now you go to create my link. So once people come to that site and that place you add your that's your register button, you can just copy this link and paste it there. Okay, just copy the link and you put it there. Let's still go back, and now you go to okay. Now go to this button. Go to this one here. This is where you edit the buttons. Now you go to the URL. So you remove this one. You remove this one here. Okay, just paste that one that you have copied. So you go to done. You go to publish. You go to publish changes. Okay, so it is publishing now. Now you go to view site. Now if you click on this register now button, it will take you to my WhatsApp. Okay, just see the magic. It will take you to my WhatsApp. As you can see, it's taking you to WhatsApp. So if you can do something like this, maybe if you are running your ad, so hello Mr. James, I want to get access to the free training. My name is, person pushes our name and send. Okay, so that is all that. But if you want to collect your email and your phone number, okay, if you want to collect the email and the phone number, you can just come to there are a lot of sites you can use. You can use jot.form, you can use Cognito Forms. So you can just go on Google, search for Cognito Forms. Like my own is just already there. So Cognito Forms, Cognito, COGNITOFORMA.com. Okay, so this is the one I have already created. Like you can see, it's just very simple to create. So if okay, let me just show you how to can create it. This video is getting long. So now, assuming you are just new, you want to create an account with this Cognito Form. So once you just go to Cognito Form, it will, I'm coming, let me just pause this video and okay, now I have logged out. Okay, so once you go to this site cognitoform.com, you go to sign up. If you want to sign up for a new account, so you sign up. But me, I already have an account, so I go to login. Okay, go to login with maybe anything, Gmail, Facebook, and all of that. So these are some of the accounts that I have on Gmail. So this is when I want to log in with. So it will now take me to my dashboard. So but if you are new, you just go to create an account and all of that. So if you are new for the first time here, okay, let me just create a new form. Let me create. So once you come to this dashboard, I have this thing. I have an audience here, and I have a form here already. But let's say that you want to create a new form. So you go to new organization. Go to new organization. Put in the name of the organization. Maybe it can be the name of your form. Maybe social media blueprint. Social media blueprint 2023. Alright, so your location is in Nigeria. It's Nigeria. Okay, so nothing else. So this is the email that once people register on this form, you get notified on this email. So you can change the email to anyone you want. So but I don't want to leave it with the email I registered with. So you go to create. Okay, you go to create. It's loading. Now I have social media blueprint, and they say, welcome James, you don't have any form. So you go to this sign here, you go to this here, and you click on it. Okay, start from scratch, use a template. You recommend you use a template. So you go to choose a template. So so they have a lot of forms here that you can choose from, but what I just want is just a simple form. So simple form. So I can go to ebook download form, or I can go to basic contact form, customer service form. So anyone that you just want here. You can even go to order form if you want people to fill order for any stuff, registration forms and all of that. So let me just go to ebook download form. So it is loading. So this is just the preview of the template, how it will appear. Okay, so I want to use this template. So we go to use template. Now you can put a title of the template. Okay, you can name it anything. So you can name it anything. This video have taken much time than I expected. So you can just say social media blueprint 2023. You can name it anything that you want. It mustn't be the name of the organization. Okay, so you can name it anything you want. So go to save. Now once you are here, the form will load. Okay, so this is the form. So social media blueprint. So here you can edit. Please note. So okay, you cannot edit this one. Okay, you can still edit it. Okay, so so you can put anything that you want. So let me just show you how this thing will appear now. Let's go to preview. Okay, so complete this source form, and we send email to blah 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 blah. So I want to remove this ebook because I'm not giving an ebook. So I can just go here and say I want to edit this one. to this one. Why this thing blocking? Okay, so I can edit this. I'm not giving it an ebook, I'm giving a free training, and I'm not sending anything to the email, so I can edit this entirely, complete this short form, and you will be taken to the free training. Just anything, or maybe you'll be taken to my WhatsApp or anywhere you want to send them to. Okay, so if you want to send them to the training ground, you can just say something like put in your correct details and you get access to the training or something like that. So you go to save. I always go on OK. Alright, now this is name, last name, and all of that. Now if you want to add title to the names, you can add title to them. So always leave this thing the way it is. Always leave it the way it is. Go to yes, this is required. Okay, so so you can add, if you look at it, there's nothing like phone number, so you can come here and add anything. So I just want to add phone number. I want to collect their phone number, so I can put it here. WhatsApp number, can edit it and put it WhatsApp number here. So WhatsApp number, put it under international here. Now put it under international. Okay, don't put it under US, just leave it the way it is. This is placeholder name, placeholder text. That's the text that will appear inside. So you can say can just put something like phone. Okay, so now you have to make this thing compulsory, that they will not be taken to any page until they put in their phone number. So you go to here, require this phone, put it always. Okay, now it will not have a rest on it, so that means the phone number is a must. Like the name is a must, the email is a must. Okay, now this is getting my free ebook. I'm not giving a free ebook, I'm giving a training. So I'm going to change the text. I'm going to change the text to change the text something like access training now. So you can put anything of your own button, you can put anything in your own button, access training now. Okay, so let me still copy it and put it here. Okay, it has changed automatically. Alright, so I'm not doing any other thing here. Then you go to update. So in this updating now, okay, let's just save it and see how it goes. Let's save it and see how it look like. Okay, but before we save it, let's add let's add an image. So before you can add an image, you come here, deploy the road build. You go there, click on that button there. You click on publish. Okay, so once you click on that, it will load. Now you go to publish code, you click on it, click on publish code. Okay, click on style editor. Sorry. Now this is the header. I don't normally edit anything here, but you can still edit. So this is the header. So I want to add an image to the header. So I want to add an image. Let me look for the image of Emeka Nobis, so I can add it. Okay. Alright, so let me add this image. So I can now go to save. Alright, so the form has been saved. Then I can now go back to my build. Then I'll click on save again. This is taking a bit time to load. Okay, so I'll click on save. Then I'll go to preview. Okay, so go to preview. This is the picture of Emeka Nobis, social media pro in 2023. Complete this short form and you will be taken to the free training. So put your name, your email, your WhatsApp, access free training. Okay, so you're done. We are literally done. Alright, so you go to close. Now mind you, once they click on this access training now, okay, you can take them to the training platform that I have already created. You can take them to your affiliate link, or you can take them to your WhatsApp. Okay, so this is where you put the direction. Now you come to access free training. Now you come here. If you look at here, you see message. Okay, but I don't want to show them this message when they click on that button. I want to redirect them. So what I will do is I will click on redirect, then I'll put the redirect button here. Okay, so wherever I want to redirect them to, once they click on that access free training, okay, so they'll be taken there. So let me try to copy let me see if I can copy back that link used. Wow, this video is just 1 hour plus. Oh my god. Oh, the link has gone out. Let me see. I'm going to create another one. Okay, let's create. Just rushing now. Okay, so 706 hello, hello, Mr. James. I want to access the free trainings. My name is so while you're taking this, their name is so that you can save their name, their contact, and they also save yours so that they can view your status. Okay. Something just came in my head now. Okay, there are a lot of things I will have taken time to teach you, but time will not permit. So you go to create link. I just want to copy the link. So just copy this link. That's just all I needed. So I'm coming back here. Here. Okay, so go to paste that link. So also go to this edit update and do the same thing. Paste the link. You now go to save. Yeah, go to OK. Okay, it is saved. So you go to preview. Okay, so let's just try out the form. Put in your name, your email, put in an email, put in your phone number, then go to access training. Now it is going to say your users will be redirected to this. So now what you have to do now is you go back to that publish, then this is the link that you need to copy, this one now. Okay, so you copy it, should be okay. So you can copy the link copied. So this is where this is how it will appear when people click on this the link. Okay, let's just put back the name again. We're almost done. I'm even very tired. Been talking for the past 1 hour. Okay, access free training. Now it will not take them to your WhatsApp. Okay, so just very simple and easy stuff. All right, so mind you, we wanted to add this to this button here. Wanted to add it to our landing page. Okay, so you can still come here and edit this one. If you don't want them to come to WhatsApp directly, you just want them to go and fill a form. So you can just come here and put in the link to the form. You go to done, remember to publish changes. Okay, so let's go to review site. we just done. So we go to register now. They'll be taken to the form. Very easy stuff. So you can be sleeping while all of this is going on. Okay, so the person will fill, put your name on the first name, put your email, then put the phone number, and they'll be taken to your WhatsApp. Even when you are sleeping, you can automate this your WhatsApp. Okay, you can automate your WhatsApp. So once they come and they send you this message, your autoresponder will now respond to them even while you are sleeping. Maybe, hello Mr. James, I want to access your free training. My name is this. Okay, maybe after a while, your autoresponder will now respond to them like, welcome friend, or maybe welcome friend, kindly save my name as Mr. James and tell me your name, assuming the person did not specify his or her name. Just tell me your name or save my name and type done. So once the person just say done, now the autoresponder will now still respond like, thank you, here is a link to the free training. The person will not even know that she's chatting with an automated stuff, that where you are sleeping and the autoresponder is doing the work. So while you are sleeping, this can just go on and on and on. All right, so is so amazing. Now, what you need to know is that selling, even as an affiliate, is just a number game. So you need to, the more the people see your funnel, the more sales that you make. Okay, so you have to engage in paid advertisement. Okay, maybe in the next training I will show you how to set up a Facebook advert even with your phone, and it will convert very well for you. But for now, and you can take some water and have some rest. I've been talking for the past 1 hour. All right, so but if you still have any question, if you have questions, you can still drop them and I will attend to them as quickly as I can. Thank you, and do have a wonderful practice experience. Bye.